Okay guys, let's check out Vrksasana or tree pose, a really great balancing pose. So we're going to start with your right foot. Ground down your right foot, lifting up your toes and spreading them nice and wide. Now your left foot, your lifted foot, there's a few options depending on where you're at in your practice. It can be resting as a kickstand at your ankle. It can come to your calf, or you can bring it all the way up into your inner thigh. You choose the level that's working for you today. Now bring awareness to your standing leg again. Activate, so pressing your toes down into the mat as if they are roots of a tree, and then drawing up that energy by lifting up your kneecaps, switching on your thighs, squeezing your glutes. Your lifted leg, wherever it is, gently press it into your standing leg, which creates a lock, so it helps create that balance. And maybe that lifted knee can travel a little further out to the side. Now your hands can be on your hips, they can be at your heart, and as you're bringing this awareness up, keep pulling up, so belly button sucks into spine, comes up under ribs. Reach out through the top of your head so you're feeling this length happening in your whole body. Hands can stay at heart, or maybe you come into the full expression, hands open, or maybe in a mudra. Take one more inhale here. Feel the length lifting up but pressing down. And slowly release. Check it out on the other side.